It is December 27th, 2018, WIKISPEED Standup, and right now it's just me, Michael Wolchuk, out of Saskatoon. Last week, I did manage to post the recording for last week, which again was only me, and I read a little bit more on Encano. I think the project is interesting, and I think it would be perhaps engaging to have a little bit of a write-up and to make it kind of the center of a project that we try to do. The car project is losing a little bit of steam, so maybe a change is better than continuing with what we're doing. I don't have anything for demonstration, and next week I'm just carrying over my previous, which is connect voltmeter points on the dash of my Polaris, install running lights on my trailer, and re-terminate connectors on the Polaris so that I can get the winch working and stuff. Notice that there's nothing on the WIKISPEED car in that list, and that perhaps is part of the problem why we're having trouble with engagement. No blocks, or at least nothing worth mentioning. And that would, if we had more people, they would then speak up now, and we would go on to retrospective. I did 1 point out of my four that I expected to be able to do, and I showed up for stand-up, so that's going to give me 3.5 out of 10. And the team I'm going to give 6. Just me on stand-up, which isn't very good. Not much email chatter on the group, and low velocity. I do not have a process improvement for the week. And this would take us then to crosstalk, which we don't have anything for crosstalk because it's just me talking to myself. So that would be about it for this week. And it is now 12 minutes after the hour. So I don't think anybody else is going to join me. Anyway, that's about it for this week.